Foods that helps to manage diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by high blood sugar levels due to the body's inability to produce or effectively use insulin. While medication and lifestyle changes are essential for diabetes management, diet plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels. In this video, we will explore in detail the foods that can help fix diabetes and promote better health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have a positive impact on managing diabetes and improving overall well-being. 1. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are a vital part of a healthy diet for individuals with diabetes. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, complex carbohydrates are broken down slowly, providing a steady release of glucose. Whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa, are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. These foods also contain dietary fiber, which aids in blood sugar control and promotes digestive health. Including complex carbohydrates in your meals can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. 2. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them an ideal choice for individuals with diabetes. These vegetables include leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, and bell peppers. They are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Non-starchy vegetables can be consumed in abundance, providing satiety without causing significant increases in blood sugar levels. They also contribute to weight management, which is crucial for diabetes control. Incorporating a variety of non-starchy vegetables into your meals can enhance the nutritional value and help regulate blood sugar levels effectively. 3. Lean proteins. Including lean proteins in your diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Lean proteins, such as skinless chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes, provide essential amino acids without adding excessive fat or carbohydrates. These proteins have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels and can help maintain muscle mass. Additionally, they assist in weight management by keeping you full for longer periods. Including lean proteins in your meals can help balance blood sugar levels and support overall health. 4. Healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are harmful to individuals with diabetes. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can be beneficial. These fats contribute to heart health, reduce inflammation, and help control blood sugar levels. Including small portions of healthy fats in your meals can enhance flavor, promote satiety, and improve overall nutritional intake. However, it is essential to consume these fats in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. 5. Superfoods for diabetes management. Certain foods have gained a reputation as superfoods for their potential to benefit individuals with diabetes. These include berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, which are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Cinnamon has also shown promise in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels. Other superfoods for diabetes management include fatty fish like salmon, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids, and chia seeds, which are packed with fiber and healthy fats. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can provide additional health benefits and support diabetes management. While there is no single magic food that can fix diabetes, a well-balanced diet consisting of complex carbohydrates, non-starchy vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and superfoods can significantly contribute to managing blood sugar levels. It is essential to work with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that meets your specific needs. Remember to monitor portion sizes, practice regular physical activity, and maintain a consistent eating schedule. By incorporating these foods into your diet and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can take control of your diabetes and improve your overall well-being. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thanks for watching.